It plans to remodel, build new stores. Also, the CFO spoke about the consumer. Take a listen.
We see a consumer that's focused on this last phase of the pandemic that we're in, but also seeking a return to normalcy. We see a consumer that's feeling the impacts of inflation, but also has a pretty strong personal balance sheet. We see a consumer that's focused on price and value, but also willing to splurge in important events like Valentine's Day that was just really strong for us. And so, we found success by really listening to the consumer and making sure that we're finding ways within our multi-category model and within the ways we make it easy for guests to shop to put forward an offering that has guests continuing to choose Target, and they have.
So the big thing today, Target basically stole the show with their stock price being around $190-something over the last few weeks. And I said it's a good buy whenever you can get Target under $200. And once I believe their earnings or something came out, and it was amazing, exactly what I expected them to be. And the price completely shot up to well over like $222. And on top of that, they decided to add minimum wage going up to over $24 an hour. So you see this in the last week. You good? You see this in the last week is 190 all the way down to 185, and the price went all the way up to about 224. So that's definitely good with Target. And you see right here, it says Target will pay a $24 an hour minimum wage in tightest labor markets. That is huge. That is a big $24 an hour. You work 10 hours, that's $240. Take away taxes, you close to $200 a day if you work 10 hours. That is some good money working at Target. It said, we are hiring, earn a competitive wage, and a 10% team member discount. If you shop at Target, might as well get a little 10% discount. Workers at Target stores and distribution centers in places like New York, where competition for finding and hiring staff is, you can do that, could see starting wage as high as $24 an hour this year. The Minneapolis-based discount retailer, held by CEO Brian Cornell, said Monday that they will adapt minimum wages that range from $15 to $24 an hour, with the highest pay going to hires in the most competitive markets. It currently pays a universal starting wage of $15 an hour. The new starting wage range is part of the company plan to spend an additional $300 million on its labor force this year, and that will include broader, faster access to healthcare coverage for its hourly workers. The market has changed, said the CEO in an interview with the Associated Press. That is great, man. Shop exclusive bomb for Target. That is big for anybody that want to compete, because if you are a multi-billion dollar business, if we look at Target market cap is over $105 billion. They like, if we're making all of this money, we might as well give some to the employees. And that's just a great deal, man. I just did a short like, I might mess around and invest in Target just a little bit here. Let me know what y'all thoughts on that.